I don't worry about phase from that this is longer, this is shorter. I don't worry about that just because, again, as I said, we were talking earlier about this, the distance from this one to that wall and this mic to that wall, there's stuff bouncing back. The ceiling's different over this one than it is over here. The wall behind's angle. There's so many calculations going on. And the drum actually sits a little off center in the middle anyhow. You know, if this is the middle of the drum set, the snare's actually a little to the side. I just find a good position. If I don't like the way it sounds, I'll come out and move a little bit one way or the other. But I don't worry about that. You know, just being exactly equidistant.